Today's lecture is about the hybrid orbital structure of ethene. We are much aware about the ethene, that ethene is the first member of the alkene family. What are the alkene? Alkene are the unsaturated hydrocarbon which contain double covalent bond in their structure. Today we have to learn about the hybrid orbital structure or the molecular orbital structure of the ethene. If you will consider the molecular formula of the ethene, it is C2H4. So, in such a way that each carbon is attached with another carbon and two hydrogens. So, if you will count the valency around the single carbon 1, 2, 3. But carbon is a tetravalent. So, if you will consider where is the fourth valency. So, fourth valency is present between the two carbon in the form of the double bond. So, each carbon having the fourth valency 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will consider the ground state electronic configuration. We are much aware that carbon having the atomic number 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py, 2o2, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 electron present in the carbon. But in the case of the excited state, what is the excited state? Whenever any element absorbs the quantity of energy from the external source, whatever the situation, from heating, from electric spark, and during this process the electron of the lower energy level move towards the higher energy level, this process is referred to as the excitation, and this particular state is referred to as the excited state. So in the excited state of the carbon, the electron from the second s orbital will move towards the 2pz orbital. So the final situation in the excited state, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So here we can easily consider that the four half-filled atomic orbitals are present and they can easily undergo the hybridization process. The carbon having the capability to undergo sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization as well as the sp hybridization. As in the earlier classes I stated you that what is that hybridization is the one particular process of the redistribution of the atomic orbital having the different shape, different energy in order to form equivalent set of the hybrid orbital having the same shape and the same energy. If you will consider the sp3 hybridization in which the 1s and 3p orbital px, py, pz will combine with each other to give you how many? 4 sp3 hybrid orbital in tetrahedral pattern. If you will consider the sp2 hybridization, 1s, 1px and 1py will undergo to give you how many atomic hybrid orbital? 2 and 1, 3 sp2 hybrid orbital that arrange in trigonal pattern. As far as concerned with the sp1s and the 1p orbital will undergo redistribution process to give you 2 hybrid orbital 2sp that arrange in the linear shape. So here with the help of that particular information, the carbon will undergo sp2 hybridization that depends upon the attachment of the carbon with the other element. In the 4sp3 carbon making 4 single covalent bond. In sp2 carbon making 3 single covalent bond. In sp carbon making 2 single covalent bond. As far as concerned with the ethene, we have to consider the open structure. The each carbon making 3 single covalent bond with the other element, 2 with 2 different hydrogen and 1 with another carbon. So carbon is undergoing 3 single covalent bonds. So what is the type of the hybridization which give you 3 single covalent bond? That is the sp2, which provide you 1, 2, 3 single covalent bond. So in ethene, carbon undergo sp2 hybridization in such a way that the 2s, 2px, 2py, these 3 orbital will undergo the hybridization process to give you 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. The shape of the 1 sp hybrid orbital in such a way that so we will obtain 3 sp2 hybrid orbital that arrange in the trigonal pattern having the angle 120 degree. So the carbon give you 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. So you can easily identify that what is the 2pz orbital. The 2pz orbital is actually do not undergo hybridization and it is referred to as the unhybridized orbital. It do not take part in the hybridization. Only s and 2p orbital will undergo in ethene molecule. So we will obtain 3 sp2 hybrid orbital with 1 pz orbital. This is the one carbon structure. And this carbon, if you will consider, this carbon is attached with another carbon who is making 3 single covalent bond with other elements. So it will also undergo sp2 hybridization, making trigonal pattern. So another carbon making trigonal pattern with 1 pz orbital. So if you will consider, the each carbon having sp2 hybrid orbital will attach with the hydrogen, and each hydrogen having atomic number 1 s1 orbital. So the hydrogen of the s orbital when combined with 2sp2 hybrid orbital here, this leads to the sigma bond, because it is actually end-to-end or head-to-head overlapping. Whenever the orbital undergo end-to-end or head-to-head overlapping, the bond form is referred to as the sigma bond, and the name of overlapping will be sp2s overlapping. So here another sigma bond, and the similar situation is present with another carbon which making the single covalent bond with the hydrogen. So hydrogen with the s orbital, here hydrogen with the s orbital. So here both are the sigma bond, and name of the overlapping will be sp2s overlapping. Another single covalent bond present between carbon due to the end-to-end or head-to-head overlapping, another sigma bond, and the name of overlapping will be sp2 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 overlapping. So if you will consider the total sigma bond 1 2 3 4 5, how many? 1 2 3 4 5. This is first sigma bond, and this is pi bond. So total 5 sigma bond present in ethene, in which the 4 sigma bond present between carbon and hydrogen, and 1 sigma bond present between carbon. So total 5 sigma bonds are present in ethene. While as far as concerned with the unhybridized 2pz orbital of one carbon will undergo parallel overlapping above the plane and the parallel overlapping below the plane. So this result in the formation of the pi bond, the bond which is formed due to the parallel or the sideways overlapping of unhybridized p orbital. It always give you pi bond, and the name of overlapping will be 2pz overlapping. The angle will be 120 degree. So here the one pi bond present in ethene having the name of overlapping 2pz overlapping. So that is the overall hybrid orbital structure of ethene, and as the in ethene carbon is attached with the 3 different elements, so that is why it is making sp2 hybrid orbital hybridization, which give you 3 single covalent bond by obtaining the sp2 hybridization. So hydrogen atomic number 1, sp2 number 1, they both undergo the mutual sharing, which result in the formation of the single covalent bond. So 1 electron here, 1 electron here, 1 electron. So here can we easily identify that total 5 single covalent bond present in ethene, and the 1 pi bond present in the ethene molecule. So in ethene molecule, carbon undergo sp2 hybridization, angle will be 120, and the geometry will be the trigonal pattern.